Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics. Thanks for joining me today. And today I'm going to show you how to take one of our wonderful kits. This one's called Hooray for Honeycomb Kit. I actually got this when I went to Onstage and I absolutely love it. And what I thought was, okay, we can make it like the kit says, and you have instructions inside. You have pictures here. And then if you open it up, you have instructions how to put the whole kit together. And it's very basic. There's really no stamping in it. Everything's pre-stamped. But what I want to show you is how you can also take it up a notch. Let me get some of that glare out of there. So I'm going to just put this over here. And I'm going to show you, this is one of the first cards. And it's called Very Proud of You. And this is all pre-done for you. You just punch them out with your fingers and you can put them on. They come with dimensionals and also with glue dots. So you don't need any adhesives. You don't need really anything. I just did a pen here because this actually opens like this. So for mailing, I wanted to keep it more flat. So I just said peel off the white, which is this little part right here. And you would peel that off. And I said open and stick. So when they get the card, they can do that. And that way they'll have that real 3D look. But then inside, I decided to say a saying, and I happen to have some stamps. So this one, I'm using my perennial postage, You're Simply Marvelous. Because out here, we're saying we're very proud of you. And then inside, You're Simply Marvelous. So I really liked how we took that up. Now, I have, let's see, some other ideas for you. That was that one. And you get 3 of each of the cards. You get the envelopes. They have the cute fruit on them. You get all the parts that go inside, so you don't have to add anything to it if you don't want to. I'm just showing you some alternatives that you can do. Okay, the next one is the balloons, which is this one that says, you know, oh, happy day, and it has some twine and the matching envelopes. And this is pretty much how the card was supposed to be. It says, oh, happy day. And then on the inside, you can go ahead and adhere these so that you can then say a saying. And when you close the card, it doesn't do anything when you mail it. So on this one, I just added some of our new embellishments. And these are called the 2426 In Color Shimmer Gems. And I just picked out some of the little shamrock colored ones because I got it off of that balloon there. And I thought that would look cute. And then I added my own saying, may all your wishes come true. And I got that from the Unbound Love right there. So this one has a lot of great sayings. If you need a word stamp set, Unbounded Love is the one for you. And I did do one of my circles from my dies. Let me see which one I used. I used the Stylish Shapes, and I used one of the circles just to make it a little more interesting, but you can just stamp it right on there. So that was one way that I changed this card up just a little bit. Then this time I kind of reversed it, and I flipped over this piece, which is, let me show you. This is how the kit comes. You get all of these pieces, and it said, oh, happy day. I just turned it over. And so I stamped on May All Your Wishes Come True, which again is from the Unbounded Love. And I attached it with some dimensionals. I added some of those cute embellishments. And this time I also added some of our new ribbon. This is called Summer Splash. Love this color, matches great. And I just added that to my balloon instead of the twine. And then inside, again, I have this piece, and this time I wanted to show you how you can just go ahead and peel it off. Now, when you attach this, I don't go right up to the crease. If you've noticed, I come in just a little bit because it'll make it close easier. So I'm just going to peel this little white sticky part off, and then I'm just going to lay my card down and close it from the back. And let's try to close it evenly. And that way when it opens, it'll open like that. Isn't that cute? So easy to make. And then the happy birthday I got from the Unbounded Love. I got it from right there. I love that font. I thought that was so pretty. So that was another way that I changed up the balloon card. Let me put these pieces back together. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with my third one yet. And so for the last one, you get 3 of those again. And here's the cute envelope. Look at that, with all the cute balloons on it. So adorable. Okay, then the next set is this one, which says, "Congrats, you did it," and has the beautiful rainbow and clouds. So the first one I did just like that. You add there's a little sun ray on there first, and I use glue dots on that. Then, and I just followed the directions that were in here. And then you just add your dimensionals to pop this up, and then dimensionals on top of that. And then on the inside, you have one of these honeycomb things again. And this time I added, this was from Cap and Gown. Now we all have graduations coming up. May's a big month for it. So I said all the hard work was worth it. I added the hat because you know at the end of a graduation, they always throw up the hats. So I had the 2 hands, and then I had them throwing up the hat. Now you can color the hat or not, that's up to you. I just did the outline of it. But, and let me tell you the ink color I used. I used the Azure Afternoon. It just seems to go with everything, and all of this was stamped with this one color. So that was one of them. And then I thought, okay, well, what if I don't have a graduation? You know, what if I want to make something else? Like I do have a couple graduates that I'm going to be giving these cards to this year. But then I took this one, and again, I took the parts that were in this card. Let me show you all the pieces. So you're going to get the ray. Okay, those are my little glue dots. I don't want to lose them. You get the little ray. So I still went ahead and glued that down with glue dots. Let's get this over here a little bit more for some more light. And then instead of using this side, I flipped it over. Get my brush. And again, I used the Azure Afternoon, and I just started off, and then I just went around the outside edge to make this effect, okay? And then I stamped Happy Birthday, and that one comes again from the Unbounded Love, and May All Your Wishes Come True. I took and flipped this one over, and I stamped it on there. So that's how I got this. All right, so both of these, I just flipped over and used the other side. This one I did use my brush. I didn't really use it on this one because there wasn't a lot of room. And then I went ahead and put in my nice honeycomb, and I said the word celebrate, which again is from the Unbounded Love. This one has so many great sentiments. There's the celebrate right there. So this one could be a birthday card, and bright and sunny with the rainbow. I mean, what could be better? I just loved it. So I'm going to keep these other parts because I don't know yet what I'm going to do with my third card. So I hope you enjoyed learning about all of the ways that you can use your kits. You can use them very basically if you're not into, doing too much stamping, or if it's new to you, or you could buy 1 or 2 of our stamp sets. And let me show you the ones I used again. I used the Cap and Gown, I used the Unbounded Love, and I used the Perennial postage. And then this is the kit again. It's called Hooray for Honeycomb Kit. And everything has those little cute honeycombs that either go on the outside of the card or the inside of the card. So adorable. I mean, I love it, and I'm glad I got it. And I may be getting some more just to have a bunch of cards on hand. So this is a fast and easy way that you can make more cards and use your kits as a base and then bring it up a little bit if you like to stamp. So thank you for joining me today, and I appreciate giving me a thumbs up and following me if you'd like to see more ideas. I have another kit that I bought that I might just try that out on that one too and see how it goes. Anyway, you can order the kit from me, StampFUNatics.com, and I would be grateful for your business if you don't already have a demonstrator. So thank you for joining me today, and have a great day.